Discover all there is to love about this outstanding rural retreat. This custom-built estate nestled among nearly 29 acres of picturesque countryside. The expansive home features 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a thoughtfully designed layout that includes a main-level master suite with spacious accommodations. The basement is a complete living space of its own, with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a full kitchen, and laundry facilities. Every bedroom boasts walk-in closets for added storage capability. Enjoy the convenience of remodeled kitchen with modern appliances and custom finishes complemented by other upgrades, including a new roof. Outside, the property offers 3 pole barns and a 2-car attached garage, and a long driveway leading to the residence. Additional amenities include a stalled pole barn and riding arena for equestrian enthusiasts, and a detached spa room with a swim spa, perfect for relaxation. Embrace unparalleled views and privacy in this meticulously maintained rural retreat. Call Lucas Deck to learn more about this piece of paradise.